Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in innovative products. Today, we're diving into a game-changer in outdoor lighting, the SIEDiNLAR solar deck lights. If you're looking to brighten up your dock or driveway with eco-friendly, hassle-free lighting, stick around because this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's kick things off with what makes these solar deck lights stand out from the rest. Designed with durability and functionality in mind, these lights are crafted from aluminum alloy. Equipped with efficient solar panels and a reliable storage battery. They're not just stylish, they're built tough. With a pressure resistance of up to 20 tons, you won't have to worry about them getting damaged, even if a car drives over them. That kind of durability ensures they're suitable for decks, driveways, paths, and even garden walkways. What I love most is the simplicity. Once installed, these lights charge during the day, soaking up the sun's rays for 6 to 8 hours. Come nighttime, they automatically turn on, providing bright illumination for 8 to 12 hours. Rain, snow, or heat waves, these lights can handle it all, ensuring they'll work flawlessly in any weather condition. Whether you're enhancing your home's exterior or looking to add safety and style to your pathways, these SIEDiNLAR solar deck lights are a must-have. Don't just take my word for it, check the link in the description to get yours today and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and insights. Until next time, stay illuminated.